wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
So...
Oh, Noah.
What?
I'm sorry.
No. I'm sorry.
No. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Kids,
I'm sorry.
I actually don't mean it. We're playing the game, sorry.
Yeah, I don't mean it either.
Are you excited about this game?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
I think the kids have this game at home too.
Yeah, you might.
Why don't you bring it out too and play this game with us?
Yeah, that's great. You could be yellow or green because we're playing red.
I'm blue.
I'm red.
Because blue's my favorite color.
And red is my favorite color, or one of my favorite colors. I like a lot of colors.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready to play?
Yeah, it's just so hard to choose one. Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, you're always so confusing about colors.
Yeah, I get distracted.
I just love blue.
I love red.
So let's play.
Okay, let's play.
Ready?
Sorry!
Okay, ready?
Ready.
So I'm gonna pull the cards.
Okay,
it's
pull
your
the card.
turn first.
Okay.
You get to move 5 forward.
5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My turn.
Ooh, your turn.
I get to move 11 forward.
11.
Yep.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You got 3.
Guess what, Noah? On your card you chose wrong. You didn't read it. It said that you could move forward 11 or you could change places with one player. But you already finished your turn and you could have had my spot.
Boo.
Yeah.
I should have read my card.
Oops. Yeah. I didn't want to tell you. 1, 2, 3.
Kids, you gotta help me out.
Yeah, you should have yelled. Kids go, move the guy further.
Okay, maybe I'm lucky this time. Well, I got 12.
Oh.
So I'm so
You
lucky.
are very lucky.
1,
wow.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you move that for me?
10, 11, 12.
Thank you.
Yep. Wow, maybe you are cheating. I should have pulled the cards.
Yeah, you got 3.
I got 3. Yeah, well, thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
My turn.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, just a 1.
1.
Can you help me?
Yep.
Your turn.
Yep, my turn.
Oh, ha! You
2.
only got 2.
I'm going to move out a new person. 1,
Oh, you can do
2.
that too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I'm...
Sorry! I get to move a pawn from your start area to take the place of another player's pawn, which must return to its own start area
no.
or move forward 4. Well, I'm not moving forward 4, but I am gonna do... Bye-bye!
Shucks.
Sorry!
Aw, man. I don't think he's sorry at all.
You get to move forward 10 or move backward 1.
Ooh, I'm going to move forward 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you move my last 2?
9, 10.
Thank you.
My turn.
Okay.
Move forward 2. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna move forward on that one. Can you help me with that one?
Yeah. 1, 2.
Okay,
Perfect.
your turn.
Yep.
Move forward 11 or change places with an opponent.
Yay!
No!
I'm gonna change places. Oh, wait. Change places?
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna do that.
Yeah, that's a bummer.
You should.
No, I'm gonna move forward 11. Will you move me forward 11?
Of course I will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Kids, do you know why I didn't move forward? I didn't change places? Because my pawn was so close to his entrance, so if I put him there, it would have helped him more than it helped me.
Sorry! Move a pawn from your start area to take the place of another player's pawn, which must return to its own start area or move forward.
Man. I am not winning. I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe you should have taken my place. I don't know.
Oh, did you try to trick me?
No, I don't know which is better. Man, I think it might have been better for me if you took my place because that one's safe. I don't know. Okay, my turn.
Okay, your turn. Move forward 3.
Move forward 3.
Move forward 3.
Yeah, I guess just move that one forward 3 for me, please.
1, 2, 3.
I'm not winning at all.
No,
Nope.
these cards are sticky.
Yeah.
Move forward 10 or move backward 1. No, I want to move forward 10. Can you help me and move my 10?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no!
Whoa,
10!
I get to
You get to
slide.
slide. Shh. Wow. Oops, I knocked you down. That
Your
was a
turn.
good card. Okay.
Move forward 8.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Or 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, do that one.
There you go.
Okay.
My
Your
turn.
turn.
Oh, move a pawn from your start area to take the place of another player's pawn, which must return to its own start area or move forward.
Oh, man.
I get to take my last pawn
Yeah.
out and kick yours away. Ha ha.
And now all of mine are back home.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Woohoo!
Give me a good one. Give me a good one.
Move forward 1.
Ah.
Sounds
that wasn't
good
a
enough.
good one. 1.
Move forward 1.
Oh.
I'm going to move forward. That's still a safe area, isn't it?
This?
Yeah.
This isn't a safe area.
Oh.
That's a safe area.
Okay. Oops.
Inside your house.
I'm going to move this one forward 1.
Okay.
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 Your turn.
My turn.
Your turn.
My turn.
Move forward 1.
What?
Yeah,
I don't think we shuffled these cards.
I did.
Oh, I think you shuffled them in a tricksy way for you.
No, I didn't. I just
Yeah.
had a 1, 2.
But yeah, you had like 11 and a 12 and like 12 sorries.
But I also made a mistake before.
Oh, that's true.
Move forward 12. I'm gonna move. Can you help me move that
The
one
far
over?
one? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it's your turn.
Yep. Please draw my card.
Move forward 5.
5. I'm gonna need to move a new guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna move this guy. Wait. Why isn't it working? 1, 2, 3, 4. Aw. Yeah, I'll move a new guy. 5. Okay, your turn.
My turn.
Mhm.
Move forward 5. Can you put the one on your closest to your foot 5 forward, please?
Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Move forward 7 or split the move between 2 of your pawns.
Oh, good. I'm gonna split the move.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and we slide him.
Whoa. Shh.
And then do the other 3 for the other one, please.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Yep, your turn. At least I got to slide.
Sorry.
No!
Yay, but wait.
What?
But I don't have any of my start area.
Then you don't get to do it, I guess. You just lose your turn.
No, or move 4 forward.
Oh, move
So I get to
forward.
move 4 forward.
Okay, which one?
I'll move the first pawn on your side
Okay.
4 forward.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you. Okay, it's your turn.
My turn.
Move forward 12.
Or? Nope, just 12. Okay, yeah, moving forward 12. Move
Which
the
one?
front one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. It doesn't work for either.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Was that right?
Yep, that was right. Thank you.
My turn.
Your turn.
Move forward 11 or change places with an opponent.
Oh no! What are you gonna do?
Oh no.
Hmm.
If I change places, then you're actually close to your home.
Yeah. That's
if I
rough.
don't change places, I'm still going to be closer to my home. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
This one?
No, the one closest to you.
This one?
Yeah, can you
Okay.
move that one 11?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're doing good, Noah.
I am.
Yeah, you're definitely winning right now.
Okay, my turn?
Okay, your turn.
No, actually, it's your turn.
Oh, my turn! Yay!
I'm just drawing the card for you.
Sorry, my bad.
Move forward 12.
12! Move my red one that's over here by your house.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, I wonder if I should have counted for the other one. It's okay. I think I'm happy anyways.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Move forward 8. Can we move the one closest to me?
This one?
No.
Oh, closest to you, yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. You do the last 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Woo! You were getting very close.
I am.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn. Move forward 7 or split to move between 2 of your pawns.
Okay, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect! One can go 6 to the far side and one goes 1 to this slide. I think that's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Woo!
And 1.
1. Woo! Yeah, that was a good one. Nice.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Well counted.
Yay, thank you.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yep.
Move forward 8. Can you move forward the one closest to you?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, it's your turn.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm pulling your card.
Okay.
Move forward 7 or split to move between 2 of your pawns.
Awesome. Do 3 for the one closest to you.
1, 2, 3.
And whoop. And then move the other one, the other 4. If you could, please. No, do you want me to? You got it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you. Okay.
My turn.
Your turn.
Move forward 5.
Ooh.
Can I go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No.
Yep.
Can
Why
they
not?
be on the same spot?
I think that one's actually,
I don't think so.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
why
So
can't, I don't know, I guess.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think they're allowed to be on the same
you're right.
spot.
It says, only one of your pawns may occupy a space at a time.
See, I know this game.
Yep.
Okay, it's your
How do you
turn.
do?
Move backwards 4. He.
What?
He.
What? Oh, move backwards the one that's on, oh no. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I guess move backwards the far one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh well.
My turn.
Oh well. Your turn.
Move forward 10 or move backward 1.
Ooh. I don't think you can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no.
Nope. Yep. You have to move backwards one.
No. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Good choice. There were no wrong choices in that move, I don't think.
Move forward 1.
Move. Oh, I'm the one on the slide. Woo!
You like to slide, don't you?
Yeah. Well, I'm obviously not winning, so I might as well slide.
You're right.
Yeah.
I'm winning.
Have the fun I can have. Boop, 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 boop.
Move backwards 4. No!
Yay! Backwards 4. That's good for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Woo. Alrighty. My turn. Give me a good one.
Move forward 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, my turn.
Yes.
Move forward 10 or move backwards 1. This must work now.
Yeah, it should work for the one that's far away. Actually, so then that means that the last card actually helped you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep, the last card actually helped you when
It
you had to go
did help
backwards.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. That was lucky.
No. I know how to play this game.
This game is a game of chance.
What's a game of chance?
It means like it's kind of luck. I mean, there's a little bit of deciding what piece to move. So that's a little bit of game strategy, but mostly it's just luck.
Okay, well, it seems like you're unlucky because you have to move backwards 4.
Yeah, okay, just move the one next to you backwards 4. Yeah, I am doing very unlucky, or... Bummer. Okay.
Move forward 7 or split the move between 2 of your pawns. Ooh, this is a good one.
Ooh, yeah.
1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh. Oh, you know what we never told the kids? We never told the kids why you couldn't go 10 forward. So when you're going into your home, you have to move the exact right number of spots. So now he has to get very specific numbers.
Yeah, now I need 1, 2, 3, 4 or a 5.
Yep, 4 or 5. Okay.
I think you are.
Oh, I still have one guy that's in... I forgot I still have one guy even in start. Oh, no.
So, move forward 8.
Okay, I'll move this one over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have a new goal for my guys. I'm just going to try to get one guy into the safety zone before you win. That's my goal.
Okay, that's a good goal, but
Yeah.
I'm going to win.
Well,
Hopefully.
maybe you won't get any 4s.
Move forward 2. 1,
2. Okay, good job.
Move backwards 4.
Move the one that's by you backwards.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it's your turn.
Last card. What do we do then?
Then we shuffle the other cards and we start drawing from that same pile.
Move forward 11 or change places with an opponent.
Change places!
No, I can't change places. I don't want
man.
to change places.
Yeah, you don't.
Okay, do I need to shuffle the cards?
Yep, now we need to shuffle the cards.
So I shuffled the cards, and now I'm pulling for you.
Okay.
Move forward.
What is it?
12.
Yay, 12! Okay, I'm moving this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12!
No!
Yay! I got one inside before you win.
She's catching up.
Yep.
I have to be careful now.
I hope I get
My turn.
a really big one again.
Move forward 2.
Oh, no!
Yay! I'm home with 2 of my pawns.
Oh,
Okay, it's your turn.
no. Okay, what's my card?
Move forward 5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide! Yay!
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Yay! Move forward 5. I won. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My blue pawns are home. Yay!
Man. Boo!
But that was fun.
That was very fun.
Did you enjoy that?
I did enjoy that.
It was pretty cool.
It was pretty fun.
I like this game.
Yeah, I like this game too.
Should we play it again?
Yeah, we should definitely play it again.
But I don't think the kids want to watch us again.
Yeah, they probably don't.
So kids, thanks for watching us play. Sorry, we're gonna play another game here, but we don't need. They don't. No.
No, yeah, you guys probably don't need to watch another game. You probably want to go play your own game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for tuning in to Dream Again. We'll see you
Next time!
exactly. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!